Rocks elementary students. Mr. Harrod here, and I am here with my Uncle Jed, who is going to help us learn to juggle. Jed is a world-class juggler, and he's also a man of style, as you can see. So, Jed's going to help us out. He doesn't say much, he's a little shy, so I'm going to do most of the talking, but he's going to do the demonstrating as well. I'm going to demonstrate with bags, he's going to demonstrate with the juggling balls. So, why learn juggling? That's the first question. Well, in your assignment, there's a little sheet attachment that gives you a lot of benefits of juggling, and you're going to need to write down in that assignment 3 benefits of juggling. There's several, I just want to hear 3. All right, so first of all, juggling items. What can you juggle? We use scarves when we're here at school, but I know you may not have scarves at home, so we're going to use plastic bags. Everybody's got plastic bags laying around somewhere. If your mom has some scarves she's going to let you use, maybe use those, but they tend to be a little too long, so these work pretty well. All right, so the other one is Uncle Jed is going to be demonstrating with juggling bags, but you can use any kind of item. You can use a tennis ball, you can use a lacrosse ball. Please don't use a bowling ball though. You can use a hacky sack. Any of those things will work. So he's going to demonstrate with the juggling balls. I'm going to demonstrate with the bags. And your first step is to just toss from one hand to another. Now we're not going to start with 3. We're just going to start with 1. So first thing is your toss has to be consistent. So I want you to imagine a unicorn horn coming right out from your head, okay? And what you're going to do is try to toss right over that unicorn horn. So toss over the corn to one hand, over to the next, and you want to cross your body with the bag to the opposite hand. Get those tosses consistent. As you can see, Jed's doing a toss with the balls from one hand to the other, and he's got that consistent toss right over that horn. All right, so that's the first step. You need to get really consistent with your tosses. Second step is called a toss, toss, catch, catch. We're going to add a second bag, also a second ball. And so we're going to use that same toss from one hand to the other, but now we're going to have one in each hand. And it's going to be a toss, toss, catch, catch. All right, show them what I mean with the ball there, Jed. Just like that, all right? And we'll slow it down and show you what it looks like here. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Notice that I'm not tossing and switching hands and tossing with the same hand. That's pretty easy with 2 bags, but we want to get to where we can toss from one hand to the other, both left and right. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Toss, toss, catch, catch. All right, get that down to where you can do at least 8 in a row, and then you're ready to move to the next step, which is juggling 3 items. I've got 3 items. I'm going to hold one bag with my 2 fingers, grab the other bag with these 2 fingers. Now with the juggling balls, you can just kind of hold 2 in one hand, because we're going to toss one, but you need to hold the other one in your hand, because you're not going to toss them both at the same time. So in this case, it's going to be a toss, toss, catch, and then toss. Toss, toss, catch. Oh, let's do that again. Toss, toss, catch, toss, catch, toss, catch, toss. And then you're just going to keep doing the toss, catch, toss, catch. Show them what I mean with the juggling balls there, Jed. Very nice. All right, so we're both going to do that at the same time, and then we'll slow it down so you can see what that looks like. Here we go. Ready? right, one thing I forgot to tell you at the beginning is that you can actually wad these up if you don't have any balls, and they go a little slower too, and you can actually juggle these bags wadded up. They kind of come apart as you juggle, but again, hold two in one hand and just toss one, and you can juggle just the bags like that. All right, there are so many things you can do with juggling, different things you can juggle. Stick around at the end of the video and I'm going to show you how you can juggle with a partner and the different items that you can try to juggle, different tricks.